guys, this is Dominic here, and I show you a special, very special cartoning machine. You see this factory is not so full. You see it's a little bit full, but technically say it's different. I will show you the details. See that? Stainless steel blade. 5 pieces put in one very teeny small package. You see that? Automatically putting that. You see the details? You know, for technical say, it's very high technically. You see that? 5 pieces put in one. You see that? Very small 5 pieces. That's technical. That's the super machine. I've ever seen that. You can try that. Details? Okay. Okay.对，还有一场要看一下。
上个阶段是这个上个阶段的。
啊，是这边的。Ready to ship, ready to shipment. 这个是。这个是。这个是。这个新。